OLSP lead generation without paid traffic. Hey, I'm Jeff. Welcome to the channel. If you haven't been here before, or welcome back if you have. Talking about affiliate marketing, we're talking about OLSP as I make my way around my rounds for the building that I work in. Sorry, the camera's going to move quite a bit. Don't have a selfie stick. And we're going to talk about getting leads on a daily basis, regular basis, without paid traffic. I know in OLSP, Wayne has traffic set up for you that you can purchase, but not everybody can afford to purchase on top of whatever membership level that you might be working with or coaching level that you might be on. And I'm not bashing Wayne at all for any of that. He does a great job with everything that he does, his trainings. And what I've found is that for those of us who don't have enough capital to do paid ads and try to scale up from there, we need something that's going to work on a consistent basis for our affiliate marketing to bring leads in, right? So what we like to do when it comes to lead generation, we talk about video. We talk about YouTube, and we do that because you can very easily start talking about your business, your marketing, the training that you've had, expectations for any events coming up. You can get into detail on videos and just talk about all the different types of affiliate marketing that's out there. And at the same time, you can do something like this, where I simply say, hey, if you want to get into YouTube marketing, you want to get into videos to bring in new leads, then join me on Thursday nights at 8:30. It's a free Zoom call. Just put video training down in the comments, and I will get that link to you that you would need to use for that, to get there for that training. And we go over what I call my four-step video blueprint to help you organize your thoughts, organize your videos so that you feel comfortable doing them or more comfortable doing them, and you get over some of that fear of doing a video, and you have a way to attract leads and do the same thing that I'm doing and say, hey, on whatever day, get with me, or hey, here's a free PDF, free download, here's a free bunch of emails that you can use in your email autoresponder, whatever it is that you're giving away. Just hit the link below, or put training or video or whatever. For mine is video training. Just put video training down in the comments, and I'll get that link for you. So that's how we handle getting out there. I was checking on here. Getting out there and having people come to you because they want to see your video, they want to see what you're talking about. And it's, oh, you've got something free that you can give me? Sure, I'll go ahead and sign up for that. Of course, you're putting them on your newsletter at that time, and then you can continue to promote whatever the next training is going to be, whatever the next offer is going to be for those folks, and help them along with their affiliate marketing as well. Now, the key here, some strategy to put into this, is you've got to find something to give away that is a pain point for somebody so that you can give them a free solution. All right. And the best way to do that for me, being on YouTube, is I know there's a lot of people that are not sure about doing videos. They're a little apprehensive, anxiety. Again, don't know how to put the content into the right order so that they can effectively do their video and get some response from it. And you've got to learn a little bit about YouTube and how the algorithm works and things like that, just like any other platform. So you want to check all that out. So what I do is this four-step blueprint, and it helps you outline to get your video done, which just helps you to be more comfortable in doing that video. And we do that again on Thursday nights, 8:30. It's a free Zoom call. Bounce on in. Usually takes about 40 minutes, 20-minute presentation and 20 minutes of Q&A. And then if you want to do anything above and beyond that with me for any extra coaching, we can talk about that as well. So if you're ready to learn a little bit more about YouTube, maybe you've used it, maybe you've got a channel, maybe you've got a couple videos on there, but you just never really used it for for the powerful platform that it can be, then yeah, get a hold of me or drop video training down there in the comments, and we'll go from there. So give you a quick walk around of the building that I work in. It's a big church, and I'm kind of the caretaker of it, I guess, custodian, building manager, whatever you want to call it. And I was just double checking. We've got some big events coming up here in the next couple weeks, so I wanted to double check myself on some items I may need to order. But in the meantime, get out there. Sorry, this video is hopefully it didn't make you seasick with all the walking around. I've got to get me a selfie stick to do those types of videos, but hopefully you've enjoyed the video, the content, and make sure to go ahead and check out this next video, and you'll see a little bit more about what we're talking about. All right, see you. Bye.